What's up, guys? It's Sunday. Memorial Day is actually tomorrow, so it's Memorial Day weekend. It's pretty nice out today. My dash is actually reading about 82 degrees. I'm in my car right now. My brother's in his car, and yeah, we're going to this little meetup, so it should be pretty lit. Stay tuned. So we're pulling up to the meet right now. It's gonna be in that park somewhere over there. There should be lots of cars, but it is 10:30. That's when the meet's supposed to end, and then we're going to Cars and Coffee at Starbucks down the street, so that'll be pretty lit. All right, so the meet's coming to an end. We got the boy ST. Wow.